Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to deactivate your Messenger account. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to open Messenger, and once the app is opened, you need to tap on your profile, then scroll down to legal and policies. Now, once you're within legal and policies, you'd see that there's currently no option to deactivate Messenger account. And the reason for this is because Facebook and Messenger is linked. So in order to deactivate your Messenger account, you'd first need to deactivate your Facebook account. So let's head on over to Facebook to deactivate the account. So once you've opened Facebook, you need to tap on the menu icon. And then at this point, you'd need to click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Now, once you're within settings, you need to click on personal and account information, and then you need to tap on account ownership and control. Now, you'd be met with two options, and since you want to deactivate the account, you'd need to tap on deactivation and deletion. And once that is done, you'd simply let the option remain on deactivate account and click on continue. Now at this point, you'd need to re-enter your password for security purposes, and then you'd need to select the reason for deactivating your account. So you could click on this is temporary, I'll be back, or if you have another reason besides the option given, you could simply enter that into the box below and click on continue. Now at this point, you would need to scroll down and click on the amount of days that you want to deactivate the account for, and once you've selected the amount of days that you would like your account to be deactivated for, you could simply click on continue, and at this point you'd see that the account was successfully deactivated. Now let's head on over to Messenger to deactivate the Messenger account. So once you open Messenger, you need to tap on your profile once more and scroll down to legal and policies, and you'd see that the option to deactivate your account is currently present. Now, once you tap on that, again, you'll be prompted to re-enter your password for security purposes, then tap on continue. And it says right here, if you deactivate Messenger, you won't be able to send or receive messages with friends. Some information will still be visible to others, like your name and past conversation. So you simply need to tap on deactivate, and you'd automatically be logged out and your account would be successfully deactivated. So that's pretty much how you'd go about deactivating your Messenger account. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.